Okay, now I will just briefly give a final closing remark. And thank you everyone who joined this workshop, and thank you for your attendance. And I hope you enjoyed all the presentations. And we have amazing speakers like Ivan, Andrew, Raku, and Chao Yuan from very top university, and they're and in AI labs, and they're doing amazing jobs. And I hope you enjoyed their talks, and their slides and their videos will be available on our workshop website. And if you miss something, please check our workshop website for more details. And all our recordings will also be available after the workshop. And I also would like to thank all the teams who participate this challenge. Some of the team are not invited to present in our workshop due to the limited time schedule, but I do appreciate your participation and your feedback and your experiments and your great efforts are valuable, I think, to the research community to advance the study in temporal localization or boundary detection. And I think it's a very good starting point to study other tasks that are very interesting or very basic to video analysis. And again, thanks for the winning team to present their works. And we really learned a lot from your presentations, and we learned a lot from the discussions. And again, finally, I would like to thank you, the organizers, for their great effort to make this workshop happen. And they have been trying very hard to invite speakers, to organize everything, and I really appreciate your effort. Thank you all. And for all the feedbacks, if you have any thoughts for us to for comments to this workshop, please drop us an email at loveu.cvpr'21@gmail.com. Drop us an email, and we're very happy to receive your feedback and your future comments. Again, all the content or all the recordings and the slides will be available on the workshop page, and please check it afterwards if you miss something. Okay, and any questions or comments you may have, you can also unmute yourself and or type in the chat. We're happy to discuss. And thank you all for the attendance, and I hope you have a good evening. I think those who has already I don't think there are any more comments. Again, if you have any comments or feedback, please drop us an email at loveu.cvpr'21@gmail.com, and I encourage you to constantly follow our updates on the generic event boundary detection task, and I look forward to your submissions. And you can submit to CVPR or ICCV. I think that it will be a potential good task for the future research. Thank you all, and thank you for the participation. And we will end the meeting. See you next time.
Bye.